Good morning, students. Next chapter is quadrilateral. Now, question arises, what is quadrilateral? So, according to definition, four-sided closed figures are called quadrilateral. Any four-sided which is made by line segment. So it is one kind of polygon. The journey starts from one dot. We have studied definition of point in 8th class. The well arrangement of point is called line. Then the part of line is called line segment. This is line, this is line segment, and this is array. When two rays generate from a point, we get angle, and when three line segments join, we get a triangle, and this is our first polygon. Now four-sided quadrilateral, then pentagon, then hexagon, then octagon, nonagon, decagon, and again we reach at circle. Start from point, reach on circle. Something is magical here that we will discuss in any other video. So what I would like to tell you, four-sided closed figure. You can write this definition is called quadrilateral. So if all four side measurement are different, this is just a quadrilateral. Now there is variety of quadrilateral on the behalf of sides and angles. If opposite sides are equal, automatically they will become parallels, and this is one kind of, we are studying kinds of quadrilateral, and this is parallelogram, and which are not like kite and general quadrilateral. They have a different variety. This is a kite, which is not a parallelogram. Even though trapezium having only one pair of parallel side. So now let's move ahead deep into the parallelograms. In our chapter quadrilateral, this chapter 90% based on parallelogram. We will have sometimes quadrilaterals also. So what are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal, that we will prove. Opposite sides are equal, that also we will prove. Diagonal bisect each other. What does it mean bisect each other? Means when this diagonal is crossing to this parts will be equal and these parts will be equal. Means OA is equal to OB or OC is equal to OD. So these are diagonals which are equal. I would like to tell you one thing here. In the parallelogram, rectangle is also a parallelogram. Square is also a parallelogram. Rectangle and this is a square. So these are parts of parallelogram. Rectangle is having some properties. Here diagonal bisect each other and diagonals are equal. Here diagonal are equal. AC is equal to DB and even they bisect each other. Square also having diagonals equal and bisect each other. Rhombus diagonals are not equal even though they bisect each other. This part is equal to this equal to this. This is our rhombus. So rhomb square is the shape of quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90. So only in rhombus, square and kite where diagonals intersect at right angle. But in kites diagonal do not bisect, and even though they are not equal. But in a square diagonal bisect each other, diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90. A square is perfect quadrilateral which have all properties of quadrilateral. Thank you so much for watching this introductory video.